Have you ever sat down to do a live stream video and forgot the vital steps in the process because you didn't have your list? I'm here to help. My name is Holly Miller and I'm an ADHD creative, and I'm going to share with you my process and my checklist for going live on Streamyard. It helps me, so I'm going to share what I do. So hang on and let's get started. First, I'm going to log into Streamyard. And then I am going to go to live stream. And then I'm going to pick the things I want to go live in. I don't think you're going to be able to go to Facebook groups very long, but I selected my YouTube channel and I'm going to name it. I can spell. And then I'm going to put something in here for my description, but I can't ever remember it, so I have to go back to YouTube. This, paste it back in here in StreamYard. And then I'm going to go here and schedule it for later. Click that button. And I make sure it says EDT, which means so I'm going to schedule that. I'm going to upload me a thumbnail, something I usually use. There's one there. Just come click it and open. So got me a thumbnail in there. And then customize for each. I'll click that. And if I had a pre-recorded video, I'll click this. So from here, you're just going to click go live and it will pick it up and you guys will start. Thanks. Have a great day.